Welcome to Computer Code Word channel. Today's topic: ceiling function and floor function in MS Excel. Ceiling function. The Excel ceiling function rounds a given number up to the nearest multiples. Number 6.7. Ceiling function formula equals ceiling open bracket number comma significance closed bracket. Applying the formula in this example equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance 2 closed bracket. Here A2 represents the number 6.7. Press enter. Rounds 6.7 up to the nearest multiples of 2. Result 8. Number 8.8. Significance minus 2. Formula equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance minus 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Returns error message. Number minus 8.8. Significance minus 2. Formula equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance minus 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounds minus 8.8 down to nearest multiples of minus 2. If number is negative and significance is negative, the value is rounded down away from 0. Number minus 8.8. Significance 2. Formula equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Returns error message. Number 8.8. Significance 0. Formula equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance 0 closed bracket. Press enter. Result 0. Number 10.68. Significance 0.1. Formula equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance 0.1 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounds up 10.68 to the nearest multiples of 0.1. Result 10.7. Number 10.68. Significance 0.01. Formula equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance 0.01 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounds 10.68 to the nearest multiples of 0.01. Result 10.68. Number XYZ non-numeric value. Significance 2. Formula equals ceiling open bracket A2 cell comma significance 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Returns error message because number XYZ is a non-numeric. Key points. The Excel floor function rounds a given number to the nearest specified multiples. floor function always rounds down. Number 6.7. Floor function formula equals floor open bracket number comma significance closed bracket. Significance 2. Applying the formula in this example equals floor open bracket A2 comma significance 2 closed bracket. Here A2 represents the number 6.7. Press enter. Rounds 6.7 down to nearest multiples of 2. Result 6. Number 8.8. Significance minus 2. Formula equals floor open bracket A2 comma significance minus 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Returns error message. Number minus 8.8. Significance minus 2. Applying the formula equals floor open bracket A2 comma minus 2 significance closed bracket. Rounds minus 8.8 to the nearest multiples of minus 2. Result minus 8. If number and significance are both negative, flow rounds towards 0. Number minus 8.8. Significance 2. Formula equals floor open bracket A2 comma significance 2 closed bracket. Press enter. Returns error message. Number 8.8. Significance 0. Applying the formula equals floor open bracket A2 comma significance 0 closed bracket. Press enter. Returns error message. Number 10.68. Significance 0.1. Formula equals floor open bracket A2 comma significance 0.1 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounds number 10.68 to the nearest multiples of 0.1. Result 10.6. Number 10.68. Significance 0.01. Formula equals floor open bracket A2 comma significance 0.01 closed bracket. Press enter. Rounds 10.68 to the nearest multiples of 0.01. Result 10.68. Number XYZ non-numeric value. Significance 2. Formula equals floor open bracket A2 comma significance 2 closed bracket. Returns error message because number XYZ is a non-numeric. Key points. Hope you understood MS Excel ceiling and floor functions. To know about rounding time in MS Excel using ceiling and floor functions, please visit my channel. Like, share, subscribe Computer Code channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.